Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to convert a table to text in Microsoft Word. If you want to turn table data into regular paragraphs or reorganize your document layout, this tutorial is for you. Now, in Microsoft Word, if we have a table and we want to convert it into text, all we have to do is highlight the table or highlight all the cells. Once we highlight them, a Layout tab will appear at the end of the tab bar. If we click outside the table, the Layout tab will disappear. Once we highlight the table again, it will come back. We will see both the Design and Layout tabs. Now, once the Layout tab appears, all we have to do is click the Layout tab. Then we will see the Convert to Text option. Once we select Convert to Text, a dialog box will appear where we can choose how to separate the text, either with tabs, paragraph marks, or something else. If we go with tabs, it will convert the table into plain text. As we can see, there is no more table. All we see now is the text. This makes it easy to quickly convert tables into plain text in Word while keeping the content organized and readable. And that's it. Now we know how to convert a table to text in Microsoft Word.